Tune in to Chalkboard Chats, July Mississippi Prison Education and Reentry 3-part episode series. On July 2nd, we chat with Mississippi Humanities Council Assistant Director Carol Andersen and Project Coordinator for Prison Education Carla Falkner about the Andrew W. Mellon Foundation Award to support community college education in Mississippi prisons. On July 16th Slate Session episode, the Entrepreneurial Learning Initiative founder and CEO Gary Shoeniger sits down to discuss how Dr. Linda Keene of the University of Mississippi implemented his ELI curriculum as part of a pre-release program. And on July 30th, we'll have an in-depth chat with father and son duo Dickie and Zach Scruggs, co-founders of Second Chance Mississippi, a nonprofit organization helping to remove barriers that prevent adult students from obtaining a high school equivalency and/or an employable workforce certification. That's Chalkboard Chat, an MPB education podcast.